Welcome to HL Graphics. My name is Humaira Laique. You can create stunning monogram logos in just minutes, and I'm going to show you how with G&G. Join us and unleash your creativity in Adobe Illustrator today. If you want to see more similar videos, please subscribe to my channel. Take two vertical lines with the line segment tool and hold them with the selection tool. Go to Objects, scroll down and click on Blend, then tick on Make. Again, go to Object, select Blend, now tick the blending option. A box will open in front of you where you can take specified steps to 20 and do OK. Expand these lines. Now grab these lines with the selection tool and go to the Rotate tool, select a 90-degree angle and click on Copy. In this way the horizontal lines will also be drawn in front of you and a grid of both vertical and horizontal lines will be formed. Go to the Shape tool and take a square shape and move it to the stroke and set it to the vertical and horizontal lines. Grab the three edges of the square with the help of the Direct Selection tool and drag it round so that only one edge remains and the rest of the shape is rounded. Now rotate this shape by 225 degrees, your shape will be straight. Its tip will be upwards, now we will convert it to stroke. Now take a duplicate copy of this shape for which we will press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+F on the keyboard, this will make a duplicate copy. Now we will reduce its size. Now grab these two shapes with the help of Selection tool. And we'll use the Blend option. Just like we did before. Here we will take this pacified steps to 8. This will produce some copies of this shape. All of them will be expanded and selected. Now we will take a duplicate copy of all these lines and keep it aside. We will erase the top shape, leaving only the vertical and horizontal lines. And here we will add the circle shape in the same way. All the processing will be done. As we have shown you before, we will take some copies of the circles and go to the Blend tool. This way you will have two types of grid shapes in front of you. We will create a logo in them one by one. In this step-by-step Adobe Illustrator tutorial, you'll learn how to create two unique monogram logos featuring the letters G&G. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your design skills, this video will guide you through the entire process, from concept to completion. We'll cover essential techniques for logo design, including choosing the right fonts, utilizing shapes, and applying color schemes to make your monograms stand out. You'll also discover tips on composition and balance to ensure your logos are visually appealing and professional. Now let's start creating the first logo. First we will grab all the lines with the Selection tool, then we will go to the Shape Builder tool and turn on the Fill. Now, we'll begin the process of creating the G&G logo. Take your time with this step, there's no need to rush. As you work on your logo, be sure to consistently check for any gaps, unwanted lines, or imperfections. Once you're confident that everything is aligned and smooth, you can proceed to fill out the shapes. I'm designing this logo in Adobe Illustrator, utilizing the Shape Builder tool to create a clean and structured grid design. This is a monogram logo featuring the letters G&G, and I'm working on a double G style. The Shape Builder tool allows me to merge and subtract shapes to create a cohesive and unified logo. Throughout the process, remember to focus on precision and balance, as these are key elements in a successful monogram design. There are many logo designing videos on my channel. I upload both videos and shorts on my channel. You can watch them. If you like my work, then please subscribe my channel so that I can do more good work and make good videos for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to create your own stunning monogram logos and the confidence to experiment with your own designs. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. One of our logos is complete. Now we will create the logo on the other side. Here also the same process has to be done. Grab all the lines with the help of Selection tool. And use the Shape Builder tool. Fill the coloring box that was on the first stroke. You can also choose Color Up. Here I have taken black color only on top of white background. Creating a grid monogram logo in Adobe Illustrator is an excellent way to ensure precision and structure in your design. The grid system allows for consistent alignment and spacing, helping to maintain a balanced composition. To begin, you can use the grid as a guide to sketch out the basic shapes of your monogram. By utilizing Illustrator's tools, such as the Shape Builder tool, Pen tool, and Direct Selection tool, you can craft clean lines and perfect angles, ensuring that each element of the monogram is aligned and proportional. The grid layout helps in maintaining symmetry, especially when working with complex letterforms or intertwined designs. A grid monogram logo not only looks professional but also exudes a sense of harmony and order. As you work through the design, it's important to zoom in and check for any inconsistencies, ensuring the final result is polished and precise. This method allows for a sleek, minimalist monogram that's versatile and memorable. Once both of my GNG monogram logos are ready, the next step is to ungroup the elements in Illustrator. This allows me to work with each part individually. I'll carefully erase any redundant or overlapping lines, refining the design to ensure clarity and precision. By doing this, I'll achieve two distinct shapes for the GNG monograms, each unique yet cohesive. Both monograms are designed in black, giving them a clean, bold, and professional look. This process ensures that the final designs are crisp and ready for presentation or further customization. After completing both GNG monogram logos, the next step is to apply the offset path effect to enhance their visual impact. By slightly increasing the size, the logos will appear more dynamic and bold, creating a stronger presence. This technique ensures that the monograms stand out and look more balanced, giving them an appealing, professional finish. You can see for yourself how this subtle adjustment enhances the overall design, making both logos look even more impressive and polished. The offset path adds just the right amount of thickness, ensuring they catch the eye and hold attention. Now, I will take both logos one by one into Photoshop, where I have already prepared a mock-up for presentation. This is a fantastic opportunity to showcase the designs in a realistic setting, allowing the logos to truly shine. I'll be applying a sleek silver color to both logos, which adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. The silver effect not only enhances the visual appeal but also gives the logos a polished, high-end finish. It's an exciting moment to see the monograms come to life with this stunning metallic look, ready for a professional presentation.